Constituents of food. Our body needs different types of food to do different work. There are different things that we get from the food that we eat. These are called the constituents of food. Ollie, come on! Let's learn about the different constituents of food. Proteins. Proteins help us to grow. They help in making our muscles strong and keep them healthy. Proteins help in repairing our torn or sick muscles. Foods like pulses, meat, chicken, eggs, fish, and nuts are good source of proteins. We should eat a lot of proteins. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates give us energy to work and play. Foods like rice, potatoes, cereal, corn have carbohydrates. We must eat a little bit of carbohydrates. Sugar. Hey children, do you like eating sweets? Yum yum! I simply love them. Sweets are made from sugar. Sugar gives us energy. Foods like sugarcane, sweet potatoes, and fruits are a good source of sugar. But remember, children, you should not have a lot of sugar. You can eat sweets, but only sometimes. We should all have a little bit of sugar. Fats. We get fats from oil, ghee, and butter. We should eat little fats. Minerals. We need different types of minerals like calcium and iron. Vitamins. Vitamins are needed for the growth of our body. They also help in keeping our body healthy. There are different types of vitamins. Vitamin A is good for the eyes. Calcium. Calcium helps in making our bones and teeth strong and healthy. Milk and food that is made from milk is a good source of calcium. Cheese, paneer, curd, and milkshakes are a good source of calcium. Food pyramid. Balanced diet. A balanced diet means that we eat food that gives us all the nutrients our body needs to grow and become healthy. Our body needs different types of nutrients for different work. We need proteins for building our muscles. Carbohydrates are needed for running, cycling, dancing, and so many other things. We need calcium for strong bones and teeth. A balanced diet contains chapati, rice, dal, vegetables, fruits, salad, and curd in the right amount.